Welcome to Cooking with Hilda. I am very excited about today's video because today's video is just about two ingredients that everybody loves: chocolate and strawberries. It sounds simple, yet when they're combined, there are a few things that can go wrong. But don't worry, in today's video, we're going to talk about 5 simple, easy steps that are going to help us to achieve the perfect chocolate strawberries at home. So stay with me. So let's start right away with tip number 1. Choose the best quality of ingredients you can, because we're just going to use chocolate and strawberry. Choose the best chocolate quality you can afford. You can use milk chocolate, dark chocolate, white chocolate, or even color your white chocolates with some food colorant, or purchase the one that comes already colored. And choose the best quality of strawberries as well. The strawberries you're going to use have to be ripe, but not too ripe, because if they are too ripe, they're going to be mushy, and we don't want that. Even when smaller strawberries have the tendency to be sweeter, bigger strawberries look better when covered with chocolate. Now let's talk about tip number 2. Wash very carefully the strawberries, but dry them perfectly, even the strawberry leaves. I chose to use these strawberries. These come with a stem, and I like them because I can grab them by the stem when dipping in the chocolate. You can also use a toothpick inserted in the middle where the stem is to help you grab them in the process of covering the strawberry with chocolate. It's very important that the strawberry is very dry before dipping in the chocolate, because water and chocolate don't go together. And that's one of the reasons why the chocolate can not stick to the strawberry properly when covering. So keep that in mind. Dry it perfectly, even the leaves and the stem. Now it's time for tip number 3. Choose the right temperature of melting the chocolate. I recommend you to have a kitchen thermometer because it's going to help you to be more accurate. Today we are just covering 12 strawberries, so I use the microwave to melt the chocolate. You can always seed your chocolate. Seeded is when you add unmelted chocolate to your already melted chocolate to keep the right temperature. Now the fun part is here, and with this comes tip number 4. When dipping your strawberries in chocolate, have 2 different parchment papers. We dip the strawberries in chocolate and set it in the first parchment paper, and we wait around 1 minute. After that time, pick the strawberry and put it on the second parchment paper and let it set completely. Now this easy and simple process is going to ensure that the strawberry don't have that ugly chocolate foot that is formed when resting on the parchment paper. The chocolate that is left on the first parchment paper is totally fine. You can just melt it again and reuse it. Remember that you can always have fun when dipping your strawberries in chocolate, maybe mixing some different kind of colored chocolate. Or dipping them in sanding sugar, using different glitters, maybe doing some lines with different kind of chocolate colors. Just have fun. I like to use this kind of glitter over my strawberries. It's gonna give that little extra touch to our delicious strawberries. Now it's time for tip number 5. Don't let your strawberries in the fridge. They can perfectly set outside of the fridge. That change of temperature is gonna make your strawberries to sweat, And water and chocolate don't mix, and that's why sometimes the strawberries have that sweaty, mushy texture, or the chocolate starts falling off the strawberry. So just let them set perfectly outside of your fridge. Now you set it on the plate. You're gonna serve them like this one. Or maybe you want to use some flowers and little touches over there so it looks extra special, like this one. And that's how easy and simple chocolate covered strawberries are made at home. And remember that these chocolate covered strawberries are not just for Valentine's, but they are so easy and delicious that you can make them every day. I won't judge. Thank you guys for being one more time here with me in Cooking with Hilda. Oh, this one is bothering here. She wants to say bye to you too. Thank you guys for being one more time here with me in Cooking with Hilda. And if you like this video and found value in it, please give it a thumbs up. See you guys next time. Oh, sunshine.